Assalamualaikum students, good morning. I hope you are fine at your home. Kindly open your books. Today we will solve exercise chapter number 1. Take your pencils and mark on your book. Comes to the page number 15. And the first MCQ is the neuron which decided about the action for a certain stimulus is called sensory neurons, motor neurons, interneurons, and all of these. And the correct option is D, that is all of these. Okay, now the second, the part of neuron which receives message are called cell bodies, dendroids, axons, nuclei. And the correct option is B, that is dendroids. The third one, heartbeat is controlled by cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and hypothalamus. The correct option is C. And the fourth is many axons present side by side and enclosed in a common sheet is called nerve cell, nerve, dendroid, spinal cord. And the correct option is B, that is nerve. And the fifth one is sensory neurons carry message towards. Sensory neurons carry message towards muscles and glands, sense organs, brain and spinal cord. And the correct option is C, that is the sense organ. If a body movement are not precise and accurate, the part of brain which may be affected, cerebellum, thalamus, midbrain. And the correct option is A, that is the cerebellum. Okay, students. Now comes to the next, that is 7th. Now comes to the 7th, when you have a toothache, you feel pain because there is cavity in your tooth. Tiny bites of food are left between your tooth. Bacteria digest the food left between your teeth and produce an acid. The cavity reaches the nerves and nerves send a message to the brain, and the correct option is D. Student mark on your book, Sarya. Have you not done? Okay, comes to the next. Eighth MCQ. The part of body which filter nitrogenous waste from blood. The part of body which filter nitrogenous waste from blood, liver, kidney, intestine, and stomach. The correct option is B, that is kidney. Now that comes to the 11th, the part of nephron where deabsorption of useful material occur from filtrate to blood is called glomerulus, renal tubule, collecting duct, Bowman capsule, and the correct option is B, that is the renal tubule. Called the correct option is renal tubule. Now the 10th, the function of nephron is store urine, form urine, push out urine from urinary bladder, breaks down in kidney, and the correct option is B, that is from urine. Have you noted, students? Now comes to the short questions. Write names of main parts of the following. The first one is brain. Its answer on page number 4. Page number 4. Open page number 4, students. What are the main parts of forebrain? Forebrain is the forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It consists of 3 main parts: cerebellum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. It all about the 3 main parts of the forebrain. Have you noted down, students? Now comes to the next. Which write names of the following main parts of the following. Sorry, the second is the hindbrain. Its answer is on page number 5. Open page number 5 of your book. Okay. And the main part, page number 5. And the main part, hindbrain, consists of 3 parts: cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. This is the answer of second part of 1.2 question. Now comes to the next. Next is a neuron. Write the main parts of neuron. It's answer on page number 2. Open page number 2, students. Have you opened? Neuron or nerve cell is the basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system. All parts of the nervous system, brain, spinal cord, and nerves are made up of neurons. Okay, these 2 lines are the answer of the question. Now comes to the next. Nephron, and its answer on page number 9. Page number 9. Open page number 9. And the answer is nephron are the functional unit of kidney. They are the tubular where urine is formed. There are the over 1 billion in each kidney. Each nephron has 2 parts: renal capsules and renal tubule. Okay, students, have you noted down? The question number 1.3, write the functions of the following. Write the functions of the following. Number 1, Number 1 is forebrain. And its answer on page number 4. Have you opened, student, page number 4? Function of forebrain. And its answer is from forebrain to the making. It is all about the function of different parts of the forebrain. Okay. Now comes to the next. The second part is the hindbrain. And its answer is on page number 5. Please, students, open page number 5 of your book. And the answer is from hindbrain to this. And the medulla oblongata keeps on working from medulla oblongata, control heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. These are the functions of hindbrain. Okay, students. Now comes to the next. Neuron. The next is neuron. And it answer on page number 2. Page number 2. Open page number 2. And its answer from this to this. Enough. Okay, it is a function. What is the function of neuron? Neuron transmit message in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulse. Have you got it, students? Now comes to the next. Nephron. Here is the nephron. And its answer on page number 9. Page number 9. Open page number 9. Please, students, open page number 9. Nephron. The basic function of nephron is formation of the urine. Nephron are the functional unit of kidney. They are the tubules where urine is formed. There are over 1 billion nephron in each kidney. Each nephron has 2 parts, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Have you not done, students? Okay, comes to the next. The first is question number 1.4, and the first it gives at least 3 examples of voluntary action, and its answer is on page number 7. Page number 7. Student, please open page number 7. Have you opened? Here are the examples, and the examples are, for example, speaking, eating, reading, walking. Mention any 3. Okay, students. Now the next is Give at least 3 examples of involuntary action. Its answer is on page number 7. And the answer is that involuntary action, heartbeat, control, breathing, blinking of eyes, movement of small intestine are the examples of involuntary action. Okay, students, have you got it? Now comes to the next page number 16, our exercise, and the third question number 1.4. Third, define a sensory neuron. Define a sensory neuron, and its answer on page number 3. Okay, the motor neuron and interneuron, all its answer is on page number 3. Now open page number 3. Page number 3. A part is a sensory neuron. Sensory neuron carry nerve impulse to sense organ. It's all about the sensory neuron. Okay. Now the next is a motor neuron. Motor neuron carry nerve. Motor neuron carries nerve impulse to effectors. Okay. From motor neuron, the B part is about motor neuron. Motor neuron carry nerve impulse from central nervous system to effector. Effectors. Okay. Now the C part is interneuron, and interneuron, here the interneuron are present in central nervous system. They form a link between sensory and motor neuron. Interneurons are present in central nervous system. They form a link between sensory and motor neurons. Okay, students. Now comes to the next page number 16, that is exercise. And the last 1.4, question number 1.4, and the last part is skin is also considered as excretory organ. Why? Why we can say that the skin excretes many substances? How they can excrete? Now the answer is, you can see at the whiteboard, skin is also considered as excretory organ. Why? Skin is also considered as excretory organ because some extra salt are also removed through skin during perspiration. Perspiration means sweating. During sweating, some extra salts are removed through our skin. So we can say that skin is considered as an excretory organ. Please note down, students. Student, note down at once. Hurry up. Okay, comes to the next. That is question number 1.5. Differentiate between. Differentiate mean compare receptors and effector. Is answer on page number 7. Open page number 7. Page number 7. Difference between receptors and effectors. The special organ, tissues or cells which detect stimuli are called receptors. Okay, the special organ, tissues or cells which detect stimuli are called receptors. Now comes to the effectors. The motor neurons carry the nerve impulse to the body of which produce responses. Such parts are called effector muscles. Glands in the body act as a effector. Okay. Okay, student, have you noted down? If it is the answer of question number 1.5, first part. Now comes to the next part. Differentiate between neuron and nerve. Its answer, page number 2 plus 3. Now comes to the page number 2. Neuron or nerve cell is the basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system. All parts of the nervous system, brain, spinal cord, nerves are made up of neuron. Neuron transmit message in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulse. It is about the neuron. Now, the nerve nerve. A nerve is a cable-like bundle of axons enclosed in a common sheet. Nerve transmits message from one part of the body to another part. Okay, student, it is the answer of question number 1.5, second part. Now comes to the next. Now comes to the next, that is the voluntary action and involuntary action. Okay, its answer on page number 7. Page number 7. Now open page number 7. Differentiate the body which are performed under the body actions which are performed under conscious control by our willing, by our thinking over. They are called voluntary action, speaking, eating, reading, walking. And involuntary action, the body actions which are performed without involvement of thinking process are called involuntary action. Involuntary action are not performed under conscious control. These are the heartbeat, blinking of eyes, movement of small intestine. This is question number 1.5, part 3 answer. Okay, have you not done? Comes to the next. Lithotripsy and kidney cross on it. Okay, we will not attempt this question. Now comes to the fifth. Lithotripsy and dialysis. Its answer, page number 12 plus 13. Page number 12 is answer on page number 12 plus 13. Open page number 12. Lithotripsy, small size Small size stones are removed by lithotripsy. Lithotripsy involves bombardment of shock waves on the stone from outside. Shock waves break the stone into small pieces which are passed out of the body through urine. It is about lithotripsy, and the next is the dialysis. Have you noted down, students? Dialysis, cleaning of blood by artificial method is called dialysis. It is done by a machine called dialyzer. The blood of patient is passed through the dialyzer which contain dialysis fluid. Blood flows through the tubes of dialysis and dialysis fluid flows around these tubes. The waste material moves from blood to the dialysis fluid. The clean blood is returned to the body. It's about the question number 1.5. Have you noted down, students? Okay, it's all about the today's diary exercise, chapter number 1, human organ system. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz. I hope you got all the lectures very well. Inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.